Are you struggling with a server error in the TikTok app on your iPhone? This usually happens due to TikTok server issues, a weak internet connection, or an outdated app. Don't worry, in this video, I'll show you how to fix this server error in the TikTok app on your iPhone. So let's begin. Before doing anything else, make sure you have a stable internet connection. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Now try turning airplane mode on and off. After that, try these advanced solutions. Solution 1. Offload the TikTok app. First, open up Settings. Then, tap on General. Next, tap on iPhone Storage. Now scroll down and find the TikTok app. If you don't find the TikTok here, tap on Show All. Next, tap on TikTok. Then tap Offload. Again tap Offload. After that, tap Reinstall it. Now go ahead and check the issue. If still you have the same issue, then follow my next solutions. Solution 2. Reset Network Settings. Go to the Settings app again. Tap General. Scroll down, then tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. After that, tap Reset. Now tap Reset Network Settings. Then enter the passcode of your iPhone if it's needed. Tap Reset Network Settings again. After resetting the network, go ahead and check whether your problem is solved or not. If not, then follow my last solution. Solution 3. Check Down Detector. Open up the Safari browser. Next, tap on the search box. Type Down Detector without any space. Tap on the first link. Then, tap on the search icon from the top right corner. Now search TikTok. Next, tap TikTok from here. Then scroll down. Here, you can see that officially TikTok app is down or not. If you see that the TikTok app is officially down, then you have to wait for some time. The TikTok team will solve this ASAP. And this is how you can fix this server error in the TikTok app on your iPhone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button. If you have anything to ask, let me know in the comment section below. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Take care.